hasn't snowed in San Antonio, Texas since 1985, January 2nd. It is February, I think, 4th, 2011. That is crazy. Y'all are honestly part of... Oh, our snowman melted.
He's there.
Oh shit, he's still there.
What are you talking about?
Still there.
That's our lopsided snowman. We're from Texas. We don't know how to build snowmen.
Exactly. Exactly.
It's not a part of our nature.
Exactly. So y'all are... So we're making history right now, guys, by filming this snow in San Antonio, Texas. Can you believe it? I still think it's pretty damn crazy, if you ask me.
I just cannot believe
that's snow.
There's so much snow.
That's snow in Texas. Yep. My snow angel from last night. It's freaking sweet. Oh my god, this is nuts. This is so insane. Like, I'm leaving the trail. They're gonna know where I've been. Damn it. Crazy.
Some peachers.
You have to do that dance. The one that we were just doing. Do the field dance. Do the field dance. Do the Philly walk. Do the Philly walk. And do the Philly walk. Do the Philly walk. Wow. This should be exciting.
Because I was sleeping inside and that's why I moved you like that, so there's no ice there where I put you. Okay, if I fall, David, I'm going to the hospital, you know that. I know, it's call in.
You should call in, lady. Don't be retarded. You may have a Jeep, but it don't mean shit.
Okay, so apparently we went to Valero to get a water and it's hot. So we have snow back here and there's our water. It's still closed. So we're hoping it's gonna get cold because it's not cold at all. And those kids are making a snowman on their driveway. No big deal.
It got colder. Did you really?
Okay, we're driving and we see, I know, we see a pack of dogs. Just like the cutest little things. They're like, you can't even see them. That's how small they are. The tiniest little dogs. And they're fighting with the dog across the street over here. And they're just like sticking together. The first one right here? He's a cutie. They're all cute. They're all just sticking together. They're like, which one? Which one? Who?
I want the big fat one.
Oh, he's so cute. Oh, look at, they're all like seriously sticking together. Oh my gosh, Joseph, that little black one is so cute.
The fat one?
Where are they going? They're just the cutest things ever.
Look on the other side. Where's the one?
I don't know where the other one is. Here you go.
I don't want to run them over.
I know. I'm gonna have to get out and check now.
Okay. Go ahead. Go ahead. Yeah, there's like little dogs everywhere. Go ahead. There are like these little dogs everywhere. It's crazy. Oh, well, there's one right here.
I just don't want them to get like ran over.
Yeah, I agree. Hold on. What's up, DcNations? How the are you? I know the last couple days the videos have been kind of like but I promise you we're going to be back on track so sorry that we do not have the First Strike map pack up yet. I know, it's just, we are having technical difficulties with that son bitch right there. The Nikon. So we are gonna take her back tomorrow. I'm sorry, it just pisses me off that we cannot use it the right way. It just never wants to work right, and I don't know what it is. Babe?
What?
Would you like to would you like to add anything else to the camera situation?
I think the camera situation sucks. Hold on.
Oh yes, and we're watching...
I'm watching these people. I don't even know who they are. They're just somebody from Houston, and they have a crew.
Apparently they have a crew, so they're all like crewish. I'm just kidding. Yes, we're watching the Houston Crew on Block TV. They're really fun. And there's a lot of people on, so it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. And we're also watching the Spurs whoop some ass. As always, they're just
crazy. Awesome. Goodness gracious.
Merry Christmas, Ollie. But yes, we are so sorry. We're going to take the camera back tomorrow to possibly get another Nikon, or we're going to upgrade to possibly maybe a Canon. I don't know. Something really cool. I just want a camera that freaking like looks amazing. Okay, that's the thing. I just want an awesome camera. So we're going to take that back, see if we can exchange it for something better. And if all else fails, maybe we'll get it. We'll just exchange it for the same one, because this one is honestly defective. Because even my friend has the exact same camera and his work is great. And I just don't know. I think mine's just like glitched. And we should have known. We really should have. Because when we got the camera, what was
Look,
this?
I'll show you guys.
How was the box when we got it?
Well, obviously it wasn't like just thrown in there like that. That's how it was. Or you know, this.
Like this,
okay,
you can tell
let me put it exactly how it was. Like that.
Oh, so you could tell it was open.
With that right there too.
So
we should have like realized it, but
I think we just wanted the camera.
But then again, they told us that somebody canceled their order, so look, you can even see tape on here. I don't know. They told us somebody canceled their order, so that's why we were like okay with getting it. And I think we were just so excited and a little frustrated because it was a really frustrating day. But anyways, this sucks.
So yes, we're gonna take that back. Oh, cheerleaders!
They're not cheerleaders, they're silver dancers.
And they're not silver dancers, they're king dancers.
Oh, who? Oh, it wasn't the Spurs?
No.
Oh, my bad.
I don't know, our cheerleaders this year are just ugly. They really are, I've noticed that.
They're not cheerleaders, they're silver dancers.
My
and
bad.
I used to be a junior silver dancer when I was younger.
She really was, guys. It's so cute. I don't know if she has pictures. Do you have pictures?
I think I do somewhere.
She has
I'm
pictures
sure I do.
somewhere. But yes, again, we're so sorry. But tomorrow we're just gonna film everything on the flip. Honestly, all these gaming reviews, we always done them on the flip. So why mess up a good like, what's the word I'm looking for? I don't know. Why mess up a good?
Here you go.
Hello, vlog.
It never fails. He's so awesome.
DCs are back in the house.
We're finally back, and I swear the videos are going to get exciting. You can see us tomorrow argue with these stupid people at Best Buy, because I know we are. It's going to piss me off, too. But it's all good. It's all good. And unfortunately, no snow today. No. And see? Told you. They're whooping their ass.
Put them to bed because it's gonna get dorky around here right now.
That is Joe. He is an awesome new vlogger.
He's awesome. I'm sorry, I'm like really into this stuff.
Okay, we are playing the new Black Ops maps, and I love them. Vlog TV for the win.
2, 1.
Oh, I so caught it. Yes. Alrighty, guys. Well, it's already getting late. Make a wish. Did you make your wish?
Mm-hmm.
I hope you did. Because I wished for something awesome. What'd you wish for?
Something awesome I can't do.
Still on Block TV. Playing a bit of zombies now. Exciting. Yes, I know today's video is kind of lame. Tomorrow's video is going to be a lot better. You'll see us arguing with Best Buy. It's going to suck.
What you want, what you want. come